What should we do to connect with nature? In fact, nothing is necessary. We just have to be. In the simplicity of being lies the answer of connecting with nature and with life. This sounds very easy, and in fact it is. But things that are very, very easy tend to get a bit difficult again, because we often use the difficult path. Spending time in nature teaches us that there are other paths possible. Nature teaches us to slow down again. And through slowing down, we gain speed. The force within you is much stronger, much stronger than the force you can gain through motivation. The force within you is unlimited. So of course, I was looking for ways on how to connect with my own inner force, with my inner strength. What can I do to slow down again, to gain speed in nature? What can I do to feel alive again? And I explored many short methods on how to connect with nature and with life. And I did this while being in nature. And I experienced it on myself. I explored and deepened this. And through this, I have a short handbook on little exercises that I can take out into nature. And through these little exercises, it becomes easy again for me to connect with nature. And the importance is, it is easy for me to connect with nature unimportant of how I feel. If I'm tired or stressed or sad, or if I'm happy and vibrant. It is always possible to connect with nature unimportant of how you feel in this moment, even if you are feeling the way some longer time. And this is such a pleasure. And the handbook I use for myself, I also will publish in the next time. It will be this way, but not right now. And my handbook for exercising in nature is called Life Secrets Powered by Nature Oneness. And this is exactly what it is. Everything is powered by nature. And through nature oneness, we become aware of it, and we discover the life secrets that show us the beauty of life. I will keep you informed when the book will be published. And I'm also looking forward to hear from your experiences. What have you experienced? How easy it was possible? And what you have learned from this. It is so simple. Nature is always there. Nature is always there for us. Often we take it for granted, but this is not right. We can be grateful for nature. Nature shows us what life is really about. I am looking forward to see you again. Best wishes from the sea.